Season 2, Episode 4, I won the case and still lost money. Season 1 showed what happens inside the property. Season 2 shows what happens after, when winning doesn't mean recovery. Welcome back to Property Owner Files. I won the case and still lost money. The judge ruled in the landlord's favor. The case was closed. The eviction was granted. The paperwork was final. On paper, the landlord won. But numbers don't care about rulings. Today's file isn't about losing in court. It's about what happens after you win and start adding everything up. Missed rent, legal fees, repairs, time. Stay until the end, because this landlord learned something no one explains up front. Winning doesn't rewind the clock. When the ruling came down, the landlord felt it immediately. Relief. Months of stress finally over. No more court dates. No more waiting rooms. Just closure. They shook hands with their attorney, walked out lighter, started planning repairs. But relief fades fast when reality shows up. Because winning a case doesn't come with compensation. It comes with permission. Permission to take the next step. Nothing more. Still watching? This is where expectations collapse. Once the property was vacant, the landlord sat down with the numbers. 9 months of unpaid rent, legal costs, filing fees, lost opportunities, then repairs, wear and tear multiplied by time, deferred maintenance, unexpected damage. The final total was higher than expected. Much higher. Court didn't reimburse losses. It didn't restore cash flow. It didn't make the landlord whole. It simply ended the dispute. If you thought the case ending was the finish line, it wasn't. The word win implies gain. In evictions, it often means permission to stop losing. Landlords don't win money back. They win access. They win control. And even that comes late. The landlord realized something painful. The system isn't designed to fix financial damage. It's designed to resolve disputes. Those aren't the same thing. Still watching? The emotional impact hit after the numbers. After the case closed, something changed. The landlord felt cautious, hesitant. Every future decision felt heavier. Raising rents, screening tenants, expanding portfolios. The loss wasn't just financial, it was confidence. Winning didn't restore certainty. It introduced doubt. This case reshaped how the landlord viewed real estate. Court is a tool, not a solution. Winning doesn't undo time. It doesn't undo damage. It doesn't undo stress. In the next file, the landlord faces a decision many never expect, whether to keep going or walk away entirely. The landlord won the case, and still paid the price. In the next file, the question becomes unavoidable. Was it ever worth it? Click the next episode to open the next file. This is Property Owner Files.